Finished all the cameras, wireless access points, more cameras, kitchen printer over there. You've got the 2 terminals, the 2 receipt printers, and of course the credit card readers for each one, and of course the phones as well. So all that is set up. Cordless phone over there. You could see the ISP modem, our Smart Connect 100% uptime guarantee, never lose internet with that guy. And then you've got your managed switch, and of course the recorder for the cameras sitting right underneath, and then the alarm keypad. This one needs to be cleaned up a bit, but you've got camera there, redundant wireless access point over here just in case the front one stops working, more cameras, alarm stuff, and I believe, yeah, we've got another camera right there, so we're good to go. Perfect.